أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our topic is water ratio in concrete. How much water we require for each type or grade of concrete. There are various different grade of concrete that we discussed in our previous lesson. So today we will check how much water is required for each grade per cubic meter. That we will start our lesson today. Here is water percentage. Water ratio will always be directly proportional to the cement quantity. How much we are using cement, because cement is giving the strength and water is breaking the strength actually. Normally water quantity will be 42% to 60% of the quantity of cement. Below this there is one table. It's showing you for M5 the ratio is 1:5 in 10. This is 5 Newton per millimeter square. This is additional column. These are 3 additional columns actually I added to explain for the new people who did not see the 1.1510 is what is the ratio. So in 1.1510, 1 is the cement quantity of cement or the ratio of cement, you can see. 5 is the ratio of sand and 10 is the ratio of aggregate. For sand we also called fine aggregate. Sand is known as fine aggregate, and aggregate, this is coarse aggregate. This is it can be in various size. For M5 we need 60 liter of water for 1 bag of cement. If we are using 1 bag, so how much quantity will be increased? This is for 1:5:10 for 1 bag of cement, 50 kg, 60 liter. Then if we will increase this one 7.5, so we need 45 liter. If it will increase 10 Newton per millimeter square, then it will be 34 liter. As you notice here, as the strength of the concrete is increasing, the ratio of water is going below. This is the reason. Why? Because how much water will be less, the concrete will be more stronger, and the cement quantity is increasing gradually. Here in 15, 10 plus 5 bag, you can, if you will consider it in bags, so 1 bag of cement, 5 bag of sand and 10 bag of aggregate. Here in 15 bag we are using 1 and 60 liter of water. Here in 12 bag we are using 1 bag of cement and 45 liter. Here 9 bag we are using 1 bag of cement and 34 liter, and so on up to M25. We have water ratio. We can use it by close eyes, no problem. But after this M30, this is design mix. So in laboratory they will use the ratio for cement, ratio for sand and ratio for aggregate also, and they will put the water as per the trial basis where we are going to get the 30 Newton millimeter square strength, density, strength of the concrete. So in this way we can use this value for the water. Here I will show you one example that I put in my slides. Example to calculate the water ratio for any grade. You can apply the same procedure and you can calculate for any grade of concrete. Here I am taking in M5, 5 Newton per millimeter square. Volume of concrete I am considering 1 cubic meter. Type of concrete is M5. Ratio of concrete 1:5:10 as we know. Sum of ratio, it is 1 plus 5 plus 10, it will be 16. Dry volume of concrete 54% more than the wet volume. This is wet volume that we have. So we will multiply by 54. 54% we will add, it will become 1.54. Quantity of cement, how much quantity of cement? Because cement in water will be in proportion. How much cement we are using? Quantity of cement, how we will calculate? One is the quantity of cement or ratio of cement. 16 is the sum of ratio. 1 divided by 16 multiply by this is our quantity of concrete. So 1.54. When we multiply these three, so we will get the answer 0.09625 meter cube. Now here, to find the quantity, I use only one procedure, but I'll tell you another procedure also. To find the quantity of cement in bags, because we consider in our previous table that 60 liter of water we need for one bag in M5. So here what we will do, to find the quantity of cement in bags, there are two ways. I'll apply number one procedure. Number of bags, how we'll calculate? Number of bags is equal to quantity of cement. Quantity of cement, what quantity of cement? Whatever we calculate here in cubic meter, multiply by density of cement. And density of cement, we will check how much is the density of cement and weight of cement in per bag. Quantity of cement is here 0.09625 that we get after multiplication, and the density of cement is 1440 kilogram per meter cube because there are no voids, and weight of one bag is 50 kg. Here is the formula we are applying now. Number of bags 0.9625 multiplied by 1440 divided by 50, so we are getting 2.77 bag. See, it can be 3 bags. So quantity of water, how we will calculate? Quantity of water, one bag of cement is equal to 60 liter of water for M5. So quantity of water we needed for M5, 1 meter cube. M5, it will be 60 multiplied by 3 because we consider 3 bags. So 180 liter of water we need for 1 cubic meter of concrete in M5. Here, if we will divide, I'll show you one. I will calculate here the another procedure also to calculate the bags. If we will go down here, so number of bags, how we can do this one? This is the second procedure. Number 2, this is second procedure. Show you what we will do. We will quantity of cement, quantity of concrete 0.09625. Here we will get the kg divided by, you can divide directly 0.035 or 3472. What we will get? Here is the calculator. 0.09625 divided by 0.03472, so 2.77 bags. 2.77 bags. See, 2.77 bags, or we can say is equal to approximately 3 bags. This is the second procedure. Now here is the question, from where we are getting this 0.03472. So I'll explain it here. If we will divide 50 is the per bag and divided by 14, this is the density, then what we will get? We will see here, divided by 50, see, 50 divided by 50 divided by 1440, so 0.03472, 0.03472, 0.03472, and if we will divide one bag by the density, so we are getting 0.03472, and this is by dividing directly this value we can get the bags. Hope you learned something or you enjoy this video. Thank you very much. It's enough for today. See you in coming lessons. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.